Hi everyone, welcome to our wellness video. I'm Karen from Inner Harmony, and for today I would like to share with you this beautiful view behind me, and very peaceful and very calming, serene lake with trees and just listening to the birds around us, and it gives us a good feeling that I want to share things such as why do we buy things more than what we need? If we can answer this question, it will give us more space and it will enrich our lives and really dig into ourselves of why do we need more? With this fast-paced lifestyle, we want to accumulate a lot of things that we end up ending having a lot of material possessions that we don't need. We find some boxes or old clothes or perfumes or bags and shoes that it's all in our closet and we don't use it. So why do we buy those things that we don't actually need at this moment? First of all is we think that more things can make us happy. For us, we see the happiness from material things. Because if we think that this shirt or this shoes or this piece of material will make us happy, then I'm gonna buy more because I want more happiness. And we usually get our happiness from accumulating material things, where in fact, those are just stimulus and it's not the pure happiness. It's very superficial form of happiness. The real happiness comes from within. Happiness is a state of mind and it's not from material things. Number two is if we think that we will buy these things, it will make us secure. So it's okay to buy house, clothes, cars. So when we have these basic needs met, we want to buy more because we want more security, because we are afraid that one day we will lose those material things. So we end up getting more and more that will make us feel secured. But in the end, they will only get perished. Some of them will be damaged in the long run. Some of them will be expired and it will disappear faster than what we think. Number three is we are susceptible of advertisements. A lot of ads right now really brainwash our mindset when it comes to looking at things. It gives us the message that if you will buy this item or product from us, you will be happy and you will get the satisfaction, hoping that our life will be better. But in fact, advertisement really gives us this false message that we tend to believe. Number four is hoping that we can impress other people. So when our basic needs are met, tendency is we want to show what we got. And the more that what we got, the more we want to impress people. Because why? We want to show them what we own, and that will give us identity. It is the false identity. We want validation. We want appreciation from other people. Number five is we are jealous of people who owns more. And it's because of the mindset that we put in our mind that more is successful, more is happy, more is rich. So what we see with other people that is more, we get jealous. We want to tend to ask for more. Number six is we compensate for our deficiencies. We have different kind of deficiencies in mental state. We want for validation, we want attention, we want this appraisal from other people. And if we get that, we feel good. It gives us this self-fulfillment. So it compensates our need of validation. It compensates the need for appraisal. so we get more things for us to be validated. And number 7 and last one is, let's just all admit we are all selfish. Accumulating more what we want is selfishness. We want more. The more we have, the more we want. So that is kind of selfishness, because we don't need anything in excess. What we just need is what we need right now. Not for the long term, not for any kind of reasons, but just consume on what you exactly need at this moment. And for that, you will find that there's a lot of things for you to let go in your life: physical, mental, spiritual. So when you let go of things, you create more space for inner freedom, and that will give you peace and happiness. So I hope that helped for you today. And if you know someone who needs help with their lifestyle coaching, mental and weight challenges, and I'm more than willing to help you, please click this video for subscribe. And if you need help, visit my website and I'm more than willing to help. So from this beautiful place here, I'm sending you all the peace, love, happiness, and always trust the process and everything will be okay. Bye everyone!